In today's episode of Saving with Miss V, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 kits that I think will be great to have in your home. First kit is a power outage kit in case your lights or electricity is out for an extended period of time. I put together this kit that will be very useful. I picked up these lights about 4 or 5 years ago from Dollar Tree, and I still have some of them. So they'll be great. They take 4 AA batteries. So yeah, so I put this together and I keep this above my cabinet over my wash and dry area. And I also picked up these LED emergency candles. You know, they're small and it's not a lot of light, but it'll be very useful if you had an electrical outage, power outage for, you know, a long period of time. So yeah, this is one of them that I use on a regular basis. It'll give you some light. So yeah, so I just thought I'd share this information with you guys, because remember I said my channel is a lifestyle channel. This is a lighter, you know, in case you have any candles that you may want to use, add some additional lighting. So yeah, so just keep your batteries in there. And I picked up this container from the Dollar Tree. And so yeah, so this is what I call a emergency power outage kit. I couldn't remember how I had put those lights in there, but I'll figure it out at the end. And the next kit that I think would be great for everyone to have in their home is a first aid kit. I picked this container up from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So yeah, of course, you'll have you some Bandaids in there and Iodine to clean any wounds. Peroxide. Alcohol, any kind of gauzes. Curate makes gauzes. More Band-Aids. All size Band-Aids will be helpful. More gauzes, and I also have some triple antibiotic ointment. So yeah, I picked up all these items from the Dollar Tree.